Bienvenue à Abu Dhabi. C'est la première fois que tu vas parcourir, que tu vas faire cette course. Comment te sens-tu à la veille de cet événement?
You're gonna have to say that in English. I got a little bit of.
How you feel just before the day?
It's going to be hot. It's hot today, and I feel pretty good. The training's been going good. I was in Nice for a couple of months, so I had a good block of bicycle training. So it's going to be good. But the thing is, it's the first race of the season, so I don't know exactly where I'll be in terms of racing, but also it depends on where everybody else is in their season as well. So it's always difficult to get a good idea of where my form will exactly be for racing, and also where everybody else is as well. So, but I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a long, hard day, but hopefully it should be good.
Bien, merci. Et est-ce que tu as demain une tactique de course tactique?
Really, I think the tactic is to try and come out near the leaders in the swim. So I'm in that sort of first group. Hopefully, with my swimming as it's been going, I should be able to do that. And then really just see what happens on the bike. I think I'm strong enough to ride with the leaders, but I'm sure at least by the halfway point, there's going to be a few guys trying to make a break. So whether I'm strong enough to try and go with them and get a little bit of a gap on some of the faster runners into the last leg of the race. So I think it's sort of, I have a little bit of a game plan, but at the same time I need to see how the race pans out and see where everybody else is and then sort of make it up as I go along.
And demain, quel est ton favori, à part toi?
Of course, I always say I'm a favourite, but no, I think Frederic Van Leert is probably the main favourite. I know he's been training very hard down in Spain, and obviously he's a great competitor, and he's done well on this course before, so he's always going to be in the top three. But I think he's probably the strongest that we've heard, through training and from what other people are saying. But then you also have Chris McCormack, who's come off an OK Ironman recently, and so he's motivated to do well. Also, Nike Lanos has done well here before, and I'm sure he's been training hard. You've got Andy Booker. So, I mean, the list goes on. But like I said, it's the first race of the year for many of us, coming off winter training. So it's going to be difficult to see where everybody else is. But I'm hoping that I can be on the podium at least.
So, tu prépares d'autres courses. Quelle sera ta prochaine épreuve? Your next race?
So after this, in 2 weeks' time, I'm doing Ironman Cabo in Mexico. It's a new Ironman, and then I'm back in San Diego for a while and training really for Ironman Texas, which is at the start of May, and then I'm going to be coming back over to race Ironman France again, which that's going to be one of my main objectives for the year. And it's going to be a hard race. I heard Marcel Zamora is going to be back. Olivier Marceau is going to be racing again, apparently. And then obviously Fred Van Leert. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. I love France and I love racing Ironman France. And it's one of my favourite courses. And that's why I spent a little bit of time in Nice this year. So it's going to be one of the main objectives before Kona, obviously.
Okay, Paul, thank you very much and have a good race tomorrow.
Merci.
You're welcome.